So today on the channel I'm going to be showing you a product I bought from my induction hob. It's not suitable for ceramic or any gas fires or anything like that, mainly for this product. So let's have a look at the product itself. It did come from Amazon and it was around about £30. This is it. It's a silicone product and you can cut it up to shape. It's quite thick and that's the instructions. Now they quite clearly show that it fits onto your hob just like that, and look, it just sticks like that. Yeah, isn't that easy? So using it, you just place it on and then you cut it to shape. So I already cut this to shape, so we'll put that on like this. Now it does work. I have actually put a pot on, put it on like this, and then we'll put that straight up. Look, you can see how quick it is. I will say this from the outset. Now I used this yesterday just to try it out and it worked all right. Only downside is, which I will show you now, it burns. So this is not really suitable for that type of thing. So let's have a closer look. Let's see if I can get it a bit closer. See? It's actually burnt. See, so it doesn't like those things at all. But it doesn't say that in the instructions. You wouldn't know that. This is a small video from Amazon showing you the sizes and what it's developed for. It's got fiberglass in it. Very simple, easy. And this is what you can actually do with it. Easy washing for induction hobs. Oh, look. And you can actually set fire to it. Amazing. In fact, I think if it was left on any longer, it might actually go further than just there. So realistically, this is not suitable for those hobs at all. So I will tell you straight, do not buy this for these hobs because this isn't good enough. I think the only thing you should be buying is this one. This goes on. It's a straightforward oven one. It's the proper product for the job. You can see I've got them around these ready. This isn't live at the moment, and this is fireproof as well. This is also fireproof, and it's just a piece that fits into ovens, and you just put that on the top just like that and then cook off of it, and then that just protects your glass, because the glass on these, apparently people say they scratch and this, that and the other, but by getting something on the top of it like that whilst you're cooking, it saves all the mess. After you finish with it, take it off and it's all nice and clean. Well, there you go, folks. If you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters.